In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create videos in Google Photos. If you want a quick way to turn your favorite pictures into a simple, polished video, Google Photos makes the process very easy. You can use built-in tools to choose a style, add your images, and make a few edits so everything looks the way you want before saving the final result. To get started, open Google Photos on your device. Make sure you're in the main app interface and that the photos you want to use are already available in your library. This will make the process smoother since you'll be able to select everything in one place without needing to leave the app. Once you're inside Google Photos, press the plus button and then tap Highlight Video. This option is designed to help you quickly create a video from your pictures using Google Photos' built-in video creation tools. If you don't immediately see it, just look through the available creation options until you find Highlight Video. After that, you'll be taken to a section where you can select video templates. These templates help shape the overall style of your video, so take a moment to look through them and choose the one that best fits what you want to create. Depending on the template, the final video may have a different visual feel, pacing, or presentation style, so it's worth picking one that matches the mood of your photos. Next, select the photos you want to turn into a video. This is the part where you choose the images that will appear in your final project. Try to pick photos that tell a clear story or fit well together visually. That can help your finished video feel more smooth and intentional when it plays back. Once your photos are selected, you can move on to editing. At this stage, you can edit the photos, adjust transitions, and select music for the video. This is where your project starts to feel more personal. You can refine how the images appear, control how one photo moves into the next, and choose music that matches the tone of the video. For example, a softer track can make the video feel more sentimental, while something more upbeat can give it more energy. As you make these edits, preview the video carefully so you can catch anything that feels too fast, too slow, or out of place. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how polished the final video looks, and that's how to create videos in Google Photos. It's a simple process, but with the right photo selection, template, transitions, and music, you can create something that feels much more professional and memorable.